The man I love is a light of imagination that gives us creators the power to shine beauty and wisdom to the people of our world.
There. All right. My name is Jeremiah McCoy, and I am the current operation manager at the Bellingham Makerspace. We have recently relocated to a new location in the Bellis Square Mall, and we have a lot of great space to work with. The mall has been very helpful in getting us set up with an area that now has enough space for all of our tools. For us to offer classes and for us to offer space for artists and craftspeople to actually have their own sort of designated studios. So we're still in the process of putting things together, finishing up the design of what the layout of the space is going to be like. We are potentially putting in a stage so that we can do events, host large classes. We've got 3D printers, and we've got laser cutter and engraver, and those are things people have been using a lot.
And we have a kiln as well, right?
Right, and we have some new capabilities that we have just added, which include metalworking as well as all of the woodworking tools that we have. We have a wood lathe now that we got out of storage, so we can do wood turning. We have a small kiln, we can do ceramics, and we finally have a nice open ground floor access space to do textile sewing and screen printing. So we've got all kinds of new capabilities. It's really an exciting process to be putting all of this together and getting everything ready for the being back open to the public, and encouraging new members to come in and get those creative juices flowing and take classes learning how to make stuff. If you've never made stuff before, it doesn't matter. Come in, we'll show you how to do it, give you examples of what other people are doing, and get you all set to take those ideas out of your head and turn them into really awesome things. Okay. Really what it's all about.
This 7,000 square foot area is all on one level, so no need to worry about lugging projects up and down stairs. It is divided into two sections, a clean area where you're in right now, and a shop area behind that wall you see with those doors. The clean area will include the performance and lecture area, as well as sewing, electronics, computers, printing, and the 3D printers. We also hope to include our 120-watt laser cutter in this clean area. However, we have to work on ventilation issues, so that is not quite certain yet. With our new metalworking capabilities, we hope to be able to make sculptures similar to this one here in the Makerspace, which was not true in the past. Of course, we do have 3D printing. In fact, that 3D printer you see right there is now in full operation, working on a test project to make sure everything is all okay after the move to the new location. There is yet another 3D printer you can see back there, as well as several others, including a gift that we received, which is this Z Corporation fully enclosed multi-color 3D printer. You set your project in there, you close the lid, and you press that one button, and presto. Another gift is a fully equipped electronics workstation. This was a gift from the family of a local amateur radio operator. Now, welcome to the shop and back. Here's your metal working shop with a lathe and milling machine and a small lathe that you can see there to your left. There's the sandblasting cabinet and compressor, along with the grinder and some sanders and a small laser cutter. Of course, the ubiquitous chop saw and our most important and heavily used woodworking area. The woodworking area has far more space than it ever had in our previous 2 locations. We hope to be open to current members by mid-March. We hope to be open to new members and the public later in the spring. Please use the website that you see there on your screen, along with the 2 Facebook groups for further information. Again, our location is in Bellis Square Mall, next to the entrance to Dick's Sporting Goods. Thank you for joining me on this tour, and I hope to see you in the Bellingham Makerspace. Let us be the creators of the rainbow that bows through the world.